Psychology is the scientific study of behaviour. It is the study of the mind and how it dictates and influences our behaviour, from communication and memory to thought and emotion. Psychology is concerned with understanding what makes people tick and how this understanding can help us address many of the problems and issues in society today. Psychology is a vast and ever-changing area, and sadly, we don't have the time to explore it all during our time together in the sixth form. We deliver the Aqa Psychology Specification, which is classed as a science by many universities. This course is a 2-year A-level course with 100% exam assessment at the end of the second year. This course provides a brief look at a wide range of areas within psychology. In the first year, you will study memory, including different models of memory, how we explain the process of forgetting, and how this knowledge can be applied to improve the accuracy of eyewitness testimony. Social influence, considering how groups influence each other and how our knowledge of social influence can be used to bring about societal change. Attachment, where we consider the mechanisms of attachment between infants and caregivers and how the effects of disrupted attachment can be minimised. We consider psychopathology, where we look at depression, OCD and phobias, the possible explanations and treatments for these disorders. And we look at 6 of the main approaches used in psychology, including the cognitive, biological, psychodynamic and behaviourist approaches. Biopsychology, where we consider the role of neurons and hormones in human behaviour, and the research methods underpinning psychology, essentially understanding how we know what we know and can base our claims in science. In the second year, we revisit approaches in biopsychology, moving on to consider structures within the brain and the role of rhythms in our daily life, increasing the depth and detail of our understanding, before moving on to the fundamental issues and debates facing psychology and the topics of stress, aggression and gender. Every topic we study considers some of the key theories and models within a given area, assesses the relative value and use of these, and then considers how this knowledge and research can be applied in the real world. As I've already said, this A-level is a 100% exam assessed with 3 equally weighted 2-hour exams completed in the summer at the end of the second year. We begin preparing for these from the very start of the course, with every unit having a 2-hour A-level standard exam at the end. The exams are made up of a variety of question styles, from a 1-mark multiple choice question up to a 16-mark extended writing essay question. 1/3 of the entire assessment is made up of maths and research methods. This means that as well as the topic-specific questions within each section, there are maths and research methods questions which require you to apply your understanding of maths and psychological research methods to a given topic in order to consider findings of a given study. These questions may require you to analyse, interpret or display data, for example calculating measures of central tendency, producing graphical displays or selecting and interpreting an appropriate inferential statistical test. We have a very structured approach to the course in psychology, which helps you to be able to manage your time efficiently. Before each lesson, you are set some pre-reading. We then assess your understanding of the pre-reading through a completion of a Show My Homework quiz. This enables us to spend our lesson time focused on evaluating and applying the knowledge you have gained and ensuring you have a good depth of understanding. Each lesson begins with a self-starter, which is usually based on an exam-style question, to ensure you are familiar and confident with what you could be asked of before you reach your exams. We discuss and apply the knowledge from your pre-reading, work together to assess and evaluate the strengths and limitations of a theory, and then apply the theory to exam-style questions in the real world. We study each topic one at a time, with the exception of research methods, which we study for a single throughout the entire 2 years, basing lessons around the work completed in your independent research methods book. Psychology is an A-level which demonstrates your ability to communicate, think critically and evaluatively, and assess the value of information presented, and so it's valued by universities and employers alike. Psychology goes particularly well with subjects such as biology, English, history and geography, and can open doors to a wide range of courses and careers, including law, medical careers, marketing, business, journalism, human resources, teaching, as well as psychology-based careers such as forensic, occupational or clinical psychologies. If you have any questions or would like further information on the course, please visit the AQA website or contact a member of the psychology team.